Citizen Raingears, a garden umbrella brand aimed to create a website with a global aesthetic appeal to reach customers worldwide. We developed a modern, user-friendly website that reflects the brand's values of quality, durability, and style. The minimalist homepage, centered around visual storytelling, features a striking hero section showcasing new products and enhancing global outreach. Each product page provides thorough descriptions, specifications, and applications. The Build My Product page gives users a personalized experience, allowing them to customize their rain gear requirements. This feature helps users visualize their product and submit accurate queries, making it easier for Citizen Rain Gears to offer tailored solutions. The Add to Cart options help users build a cart with the selected products and generate inquiry. The site is designed with SEO best practices, including on-page SEO optimization, keyword reach meta tags, and alt text for images. A well-structured internal linking structure, fast load times, and mobile responsiveness ensure high search visibility and a seamless user experience. Its easy to navigate and mobile-first design encourages customers to explore Citizen Raingear's product range and make informed decisions, highlighting the brand's commitment to quality and global appeal.